3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I got you in the
11,
background.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Come on, Christy.
18, 19, 20, 21.
Come on, Christy.
23, 24, 25.
Come on, Christy.
27, 28,
Come on, Christy.
29,
Fast.
30, 31. And there they go, folks. Now the ladies are cutting first. They have to try to get halfway through this log before they allow their teammate to continue. And you can
Come on,
see
Christy.
from either side of
Come on, Christy.
the pattern they are cutting.
Come on, Christy.
Good. Or in this case,
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
bottom, top, middle. Bottom.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Fast. 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 Fast, Dad. Fast.
They're going to be
Come on, Dad.
There it is. 1, go.
Come on, Christy.
2, 3, 4,
Long stroke.
That's it. Away the wood. Come on.
Come on, Christy.
Come on now.
9,
That's
10,
it. Come on.
11,
Come on.
12,
Come on, Christy.
14.
Finish the throat.
There we go.
Finish it.
Finish the throat.
Come on, fast. Think fast. Think fast. Think fast.
Beautifully.
Think fast. Come on, Christy. Long strokes. Come on, Christy. Come on. Down. Down. Come on.
And there they go.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Think speed. Think fast. Come on, Scooter.
Here we go. These guys have got good control of these.
Fast. Think fast.
And all the saw pulling it across.
Think fast. Think fast. Come on, Scooter.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Come on, Scooter.
26, 27,
Come on, Scooter.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Come on,
35.
Jason.
And there he goes, the back marker, Jason Lentz. Cutting 12 inches.
Come on, Jason.
Fine. These guys are all getting ready to drive it off, and he's just about to turn.
Come on, Scooter.
Frank's
Come on,
gonna take it there.
Jason.
Oh, a dead heat between Scooter and Frank. And Gus one
Come on.
behind, and now Jason's going for the
Come on,
big five.
Jason.
40. And they're away, folks. Pick it. The back marker is off. He's looked 7 hip front, 8 hip front for Matt Koger. Mike Sullivan is turned right with him. Super Davis getting ready to drive the log off. John Hughes is not far behind. He's
Come on,
in the
Matt.
small wood in the back.
Come on,
Who's it
Matt.
going to be, folks? Who's it
Come on,
gonna
Matt.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here they go. They're all started. Jason having a bit of trouble getting that saw moving. Gotta keep the heel down. Great cut by Adam there. There's Ben. Jason told me before the show he's got a brand new saw that he hasn't pulled yet that he's trying, and obviously it's not working for him. They're very difficult to pull if you don't have the technique.
Come on, folks, get behind him. Who's
Come
it gonna
on,
be?
Matt.
Is it gonna be John or Matt?
Come on,
One
Matt.
of these fellas, folks.
Think
John's
fast,
having a
think
hard time.
fast.
It's been a
Come on,
while since
Matt.
He's done the single. Matt just
Come on,
had a
Matt.
hard, but that's what happens on small logs.
Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Think fast. Think fast. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Fast. Fast. Come on, Dad.
1, go.
Come on, Scooter, get into it. That's it. Stand up.
These guys are cutting the biggest wood of the day, the 13-inch blade turn pine log.
Middle bottom. Come on. Middle bottom. Drivers to get out of it. Get out of it.
Come on, Scooter.
Help them out, folks. They're all around. There's a big block they're cutting.
Come on, Scooter. Come on, Scooter.
Adam's driving it. He's got it. Adam was foul first. Warwick, one blow behind. 3, 2, 1. You got this, go.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
Okay, these guys.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Think fast. Think fast.
1, 2.
Strong, fast.
Koga's doing it.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
the front.
Come on, Dad. Finish it. Finish it.
Oh, Koga got him by one blow. That's it off the block. And in that time, Koga gets the blow in to take him out. 2, 1, go.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Christy. Come on, Dad.